Matthew.Ladd here. This week I want to talk to you about custom frame layouts. So this is an option that you can put on your truck order from factory. Your sales rep will either offer it to you or maybe you can ask them about it. Now, why is this important and what is a custom frame layout? Well, it kind of says in the name. It allows you, just like over my shoulder here, to customize where your fuel tank, your battery box, your def tank, your air tanks, where your frame components are going to be on the truck. Why is this important? Well, it's very important in a custom application like the truck behind me, where you're going to have a high ab crane on the truck, you're going to have toolboxes, you're going to have hydraulics, you're going to have equipment on the truck. You need to make sure that all your components are in the correct space to avoid any additional installation costs. So Kenworth has the solution for you, custom frame layout. It's really important. It's a great tool. I'm able to share this with the bodybuilder to confirm everything is in the right spot to avoid any additional cost of installation to the customer. That's Groupe with Montreal, T.N.T, Trucksntips, and I'm Matthew.Ladd. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Thank you.